Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Bewear from Pokemon. Let's start at the top of our page with the top edge of the muzzle. So we're going to draw a curve starting from the left, a curve up in the middle, and then back down on the right side. Now I'm just going to round out the end and then come down towards a center point. So start on the left, I'm just going to round this out, curve down, and then in towards the middle. Now we're going to work our way back up towards the right. Along the top, we're going to add a sideways oval for the nose. So from the top, we're going to step down, start with an oval. We're going to fill that in black. Now from the bottom center of the oval, I'm going to draw a short line coming down the middle. Now we're going to tuck two ovals in behind the muzzle for the eyes. So let's start on the left side. I'm going to curve around counterclockwise and then pull that in. We're going to take that and flip it over on the right. Starting on the right side, we're going to go in the opposite direction. Now on the top left of each eye, I'm going to draw a small circle for a highlight. Let's go in and fill the eyes in black. Now from here I'm going to draw that band that goes around the face. So from the muzzle, we're going to step over towards the left. I'm going to draw a curve, almost like a half circle, going up over the eyes, and then back down on the right side. From the end, I'm going to draw two short angle lines going up. Now let's draw in a half oval. Starting from the left, we're going to point this outwards, going out, and we'll pull that back in. Now let's draw in the ears. Starting from this point, I'm going to curve out and up. We're going to round out the ear and pull that back in. We're going to leave a little bit of a gap on the inside, to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to connect these 2 points with another curve. Now I'm going to draw the top of the head in behind this band. So from this point, I'm going to step up, curve in towards the center. I'm going to leave a little gap in the middle. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's draw a little bit of fur. So from this point, I'm going to curve out and then pull that in. We're going to draw 3 little fur points, going out, then in, leaving a gap in the middle. Now from these 2 points, we're going to go up in the middle and then back down. Now let's go back down and draw on the side of the head. From this point, I'm going to curve out and then down towards the neck. Now let's connect these 2 points with a curve, coming down in the middle and back up on the right. Now that we've completed the head, let's work our way down the body. On the left side, I'm going to have the arm hanging down. So we're going to start from the corner of the neck, we're going to curve out and then down towards the bottom of the arm. I'm going to round out the hand, curving this back up. Now I'm going to pull this up towards the body, so curving in the opposite direction to right about there. Now we're going to overlap the body on top. From this point, I'm going to step up, start by going straight down over that line, curve out towards the left, and then down towards the bottom of the foot. Now let's move over to the right. We're going to raise this arm up, starting from the neck, curve out and up towards the right. We're going to round out the hand, so pulling this back around and then down. Now I'm going to taper the arm coming in towards the body. I'm just going to follow that curve and then pull that into right about there. Now we're going to overlap the body on top of the arm. So from here we're going to step up, curve over that line. Now we're bending out and we'll pull that back into the same height as we have on the left. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left, I'm going to curve down and then up. We're going to leave a gap in the center. The same thing on the right side. Now from the inside of the leg, starting on the left, I'm going to curve out and then back in. Again, leaving a small gap in the center. Now we're going to close off this point with a straight line. Let's add 3 toes on either foot. Starting on the left side, we're going to start in the center and draw an oval. And we draw 2 more ovals on either side. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting with the center. Let's move back to the right hand and draw on the paw. We're going to start in the middle. We're going to draw a large circle, starting from the top. Add a large circle. Now we're going to draw 3 small circles around. Starting in the center, we're going to move up. Draw a small circle. And we'll draw 2 more on either side. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the tail on the left side here. Starting on the side of the hip, we're going to curve out. Pull that back in behind the leg. Now this tail is going to come up in between the legs. So starting on the left side, we're going to curve up and then in. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Bewear from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.